Hey guys, welcome back to DeMarie's Vlogs. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm going to be cooking at home some stir-fried rice, and I'm also going to be incorporating the store-bought Panda Express sesame honey sauce. First, I'm going to be making some leftover fried rice. Now, please make sure that the rice that you guys are going to be cooking or using is a day old or some leftover rice, because what's going to happen if you're going to be using rice that you cook the same day, the rice is going to come out really soggy and it's not going to taste good, and you guys are going to be really disappointed, and I don't want you guys to be disappointed. You guys could see that I've whisked some eggs here, and now I'm just going to fry it and just break it into little pieces, into little bite-sized pieces. Then I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to be sauteing some garlic and some onions. Now for the measurements and ingredients, just go ahead and please check the description box. Now I'm adding some fish sauce and some oyster sauce, some salt and pepper to taste. Then I'm going to add back the eggs, the bacon. Of course, you could add some vegetables, but in this video I'm just going to keep it simple, which I usually cook at home, and usually I just use eggs, bacon, some onions, and some garlic. If you guys are interested in these type of videos where I make easy, simple recipes that you guys could simply recreate at home, please don't forget to like and please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed these type of recipes, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye guys.